Just a day after retiring its older hydraulic model, Boston Dynamics has unveiled a fresh electric version of its Atlas robot, signaling a significant departure from the noisy hydraulic systems of the past. This latest iteration runs on an electric motor, offering a quieter operation compared to its predecessors, though not entirely silent. The debut of this new model was documented in a captivating video. It begins with Atlas lying on a set of gym mats, its new electric motor emitting a soft whir. As the camera moves around, the robot smoothly bends its knees, initially resembling human movement but quickly venturing into an uncanny valley, reminiscent of scenes from a Sam Raimi film. This graceful maneuver allows Atlas to transition from lying down to standing upright, turning away from the camera. It then executes a somewhat eerie rotation of its head, followed by its torso completing a 180-degree turn to face the camera head-on. The robot's face, featuring a circular screen with a ring light, rotates back as Atlas strides away from the mats and out of view. The physical appearance of Atlas has undergone a drastic overhaul, shedding its bulky torso and awkwardly bowed legs in favor of a sleek, cable-free frame resembling contemporary robots like Agility Digit and Apptronik's Apollo. This redesign leans toward a softer, more approachable aesthetic, departing from the intimidating, utilitarian look of previous models for a friendlier, cartoonish appearance. Despite these significant changes, Boston Dynamics has opted to retain the Atlas name, maintaining the continuity of its well-established brand into this new phase. This decision differs from past practices where research names were often changed upon commercial release. In an interview with TechCrunch, CEO Robert Plater discussed the company's strategy and future plans for Atlas. Plater emphasized that while the branding remains unchanged for now, it may be reconsidered as the project advances toward mass production. He also outlined the company's timeline, including pilot testing of the electric Atlas at Hyundai facilities early next year and broader manufacturing goals in subsequent years. Understanding specific use cases is crucial to ensuring that the investment in robotics yields sufficient productivity gains, Plater noted. The flexibility and range of motion of the new Atlas are particularly remarkable. According to Plater, the robot incorporates custom high-powered actuators at most joints, providing the power and agility of an elite athlete. This capability isn't just for show, it has practical implications in industrial settings where robots must reliably perform complex, dynamic tasks. Boston Dynamics is renowned for its viral videos showcasing the agility and dexterity of its robots in dramatic, often theatrical ways. While these demonstrations are visually striking and entertaining, they also serve a practical purpose by demonstrating the robot's capabilities in scenarios relevant to real-world applications. Design changes extend to the robot's hands, now featuring 3 fingers for reduced mechanical complexity and increased durability, essential for repetitive industrial tasks. The robot's head has also been redesigned, featuring a large round screen that enhances interaction capabilities, critical as robots increasingly collaborate with humans. In summary, additionally, the electric Atlas incorporates advanced sensors and perception systems, allowing it to navigate and interact with its environment more effectively. These enhancements pave the way for safer and more efficient human-robot collaboration in various industries, from manufacturing to logistics and beyond. The new electric Atlas represents a significant advancement in humanoid robotics, blending high-tech features with intelligent designs to meet the evolving needs of businesses and factories. As Boston Dynamics continues to refine this robot, the industry eagerly anticipates how these new features will enhance efficiency and productivity in real-world applications. And remember to hit that subscribe button for more updates. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.